前方到站是天安门东。各位乘客，天安门东到了。
Wei wants to go to Tiananmen Square. He sees on a map application that the nearest bus, the number 1 bus, is arriving in roughly 2 minutes. Let's follow Wei and get a taste of the convenience of the bus service.
各位乘客，西单路口东到了。
Please bring small change with you, as no change is available on the bus. Generally, the bus service adopts distance-based fares, with a starting rate of 1 to 2 yuan and a full fare of 6 yuan. You can also use a bus pass, an online transportation smart card, a QR code for bus rides, or other forms of mobile payment. You can purchase and top up your bus pass at a bus junction station or metro station. Online transportation cards can be accessed through a smartphone wallet, while the QR codes for bus rides can be obtained using Alipay. Combustible or explosive items and pets are not allowed on the bus. Keep clear of the door. Safety hammers are placed by bus windows for escape through in case of emergencies. While you are on the bus, please sit or stand still and avoid walking around. There are special seats for pregnant women, the sick and elderly, and children, as well as a wheelchair parking area. Healthy young adults are advised to give up seats for those in need. Passengers should not interfere with the driver, as such behavior can constitute a breach of the law. In many Chinese cities, exclusive bus lanes are set up to ensure the proper functioning of public transportation. The current position of the vehicle and the next station are announced on a real-time basis on the bus.
各位乘客，天安门东到了。
For a bus with 3 doors, passengers can alight via the front or the back door. Please mind traffic when getting off. Have a pleasant ride.